What's going on, everyone? Clint here with ThrillGeek, and we just got back from the Magic Kingdom, where they released today the Madame Leota Pop vinyl figure. Now this one is a park exclusive because this one glows in the dark, as you can see. They will be releasing Leota elsewhere, but she won't glow in the dark. The one that you're going to be able to get inside the parks glows in the dark. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video for you guys to check her out. Here's the box, and on the back it's got some of the other Haunted Mansion pop vinyls coming out, including the Bride. You have the Opera Singer and the Mummy coming out as well. So kind of doing this one-handed here, so give me a second here. Reach in and grab her. Actually, I'm gonna set the phone down here. Oops, she comes flying out. So, all right, there she is. Really cool. She's on her little table with her candles and everything. And like I said, she glows in the dark. The only thing that glows in the dark is Leota herself. So really cute. So yeah, just wanted to do a quick unboxing for you. And there she is.